In this video tutorial, we will teach you how to uninstall SecureAPlus from Windows 10. We are recording this video on Windows 10, but you can still follow the given instructions to uninstall SecureAPlus from Windows 7 and Windows 8. Instead of using Windows built-in utility for uninstallation, we would like to suggest Revo Uninstaller to remove SecureAPlus. Windows utility fails to clean up remnants, but this third-party uninstaller software can uninstall any software with registry entries and other leftovers. Revo Uninstaller is offered in paid and free versions. The free version of Revo Uninstaller is enough for this purpose. Download and install Revo Uninstall free version. Find the download link in the video description, or visit softsuggester.com. After installation, open up Revo Uninstaller. There will be listed all installed programs in Revo Uninstaller. You now need to search for SecureAPlus. Highlight SecureAPlus and then click the Uninstall button. Revo Uninstaller will suggest you make a restore point. As you might know, the system restore point helps you go back if anything goes wrong. It will take a little while if you want to make a system restore point. Otherwise, it will take 1 to 3 minutes if you uncheck it. The choice is yours. Click Continue. Click Yes. Click No. The uninstallation process is complete. Choose a scanning mode. We suggest going for the advanced scan mode. Click Scan. Click No to avoid restart. Click on Select All, and then click Delete to remove registry items leftovers. Again click on Select All and then click Delete to remove files and folders. It needs a restart to delete the rest of the remnants. Restart your PC to automatically remove remnants. We hope that you have managed to uninstall SecureAPlus by following the given instructions. Please do use the comment section to contact Team Software Geek. If you run into any problems, we will try to help you out resolve your problem. If you have any questions to ask, or any suggestions, or want to give your feedback, do use the comments section.
More info and download links can be found on softsuggester.com. Subscribe to Software Geek for more useful videos, and ring bell button for the latest updates.